Our towns and cities across Wales are changing and action is needed. We all see the changes, empty shops, derelict buildings, and so we're here in Swansea today because true social landlords are taking an active part in regenerating this town. We're meeting Beacon and we're meeting Caredig, who are both taking old derelict buildings, empty retail space, and bringing new life into it, bringing new homes, new retail options in it. And I think it's a great model that we're keen to learn about because we need more housing stock. We want more vibrant city centres, and social landlords can play such an important part in that.
This is Kings Lane Corner, example of our urban regeneration in Swansea City Centre. It's going to provide a number of new high-spec, energy-efficient apartments and commercial uses. So the other side of the lane, we're going to have shipping containers, so hopefully supporting small businesses, local businesses to come into the area and part of that regeneration. So the mixed use, mixed tenure scheme. So hopefully a fantastic scheme for Swansea to come. Come to Castle Cinema. This building was obviously a cinema built in 1913. Storied history, it's a listed building. It was bombed in the Swansea Blitz, one of the few surviving buildings in the area from the Blitz. So it's got a long storied history and we want to retain that. Obviously it was a cinema, then it was Laser Zone. Recently vacated, so the building is now empty, but it's a fantastic building in the heart of Swansea City Centre, and we're going to be providing 30 new homes and 2 commercial units on the ground floor. Obviously 30 new apartments, 18 one beds, 12 two beds, so providing that mix, sort of family size units with the 2 beds as well. 2 commercial units, as we mentioned, one on the back elevation, one at the front elevation. That's quite a unique design with a glass box overlooking the Castle Square, so hopefully some sort of restaurant will take that space and provide that vista over the new regeneration of the Castle Square that's going to be happening. All the apartments will be energy efficient, so we're talking sort of solar panels on the roof, mixergy tanks.
We've got a number now of these city centre locations where we're looking from now. We've got the 30 flats here. Just on the Kingsway, we've got another 6 with commercial unit below it there, and we're in the process, just in contract as well, on the old T-Menin building.
As Beacon, obviously our driver is to provide affordable homes, but we think a more holistic scheme, especially town centre, is providing that commercial use, and we do it extensively. Obviously there's a planning policy challenge to do it anyway, but why not make the most of it, which is what we feel we do. And we think if you're bringing in people into town centre for that urban sort of sustainable location living, don't move the services out to town, keep it in one mixed use tenure scheme. So we're quite proud of what we do with our commercial element. We have over 100 commercial lets, so it is quite an extensive part of our portfolio.